By now, most of you would agree that things like minor scratches and scuffs can easily be fixed, but it's very rare that we ever come across a proper solution for faded trim. So today we're going to be trying out Autoglym's new exterior trim restorer to see whether we can bring back faded plastic for good. This is Autoglym's latest invention. It's an advanced coating that claims to restore dull faded plastic back to a factory fresh finish. But it's not just about the appearance, it also protects the trim from UV damage, because what starts as faded trim can quickly turn into a much bigger problem. So one of the biggest issues that you're going to find with faded bumpers is they're quite costly to replace. And I've seen some horror stories myself where people have had a go at trying to respray them, they've not prepped it properly, and then it looks a million times worse than before they've even started. So you tend to find that a consumer will look for something like a bumper gel. Yes, they can initially look good, but if they're not applied properly, your bumpers can look terrible. So this product aims to bridge the gap between a quick fix and a professional finish. But promises are one thing, real-world results are another. So today we're getting hands-on to see if it can truly deliver. This exterior trim restorer comes in two different sizes. You can either get it in a 30mm or 100mm if you want to take it to the next level as a professional. For most of you doing this at home, 30mm is going to be plenty good enough. You might look at it and think it's a very tiny bottle, but a little will go a long way. You also get this super soft foam and microfiber applicator pad. So we've got harder foam at the very end to stop it coming through. Then we've got the softer foam, which helps you navigate around the contours. And then on top, we have this microfiber layer, which is going to help you evenly distribute the product as you apply it onto the bumpers. Another thing to mention, this will last you up to 3 months, and if you have just purchased a brand new car and perhaps it has got some of that black bumper trim on it, this will go a long way in terms of protecting it and stopping it from fading away. So if you wanted to use it as a maintenance product, this is going to be the very best solution. It's looking promising for the exterior trim restorer, and with warmer weather just around the corner, now will be the perfect opportunity to try it against those harsh UV rays. So we now know what this is capable of doing, but I want to put it to the test. So outside I've got a Ford Transit van, lots of plastic bumpers. It does need a wash. I did do it about 4 or 5 weeks ago now, but since then it has gathered a lot of dirt and dust. So I've got a few little products from Autoglym. We're going to give the van a quick clean up, and then we're going to try out this trim restorer. This is my not so beautiful van. It's a bit rough around the edges and it's currently a work in progress, as it still needs a machine polish and a ceramic coating. However, as it's sitting around the yard, I wondered whether the trim could be brought back to life. I kept this clean nice and simple today, so I narrowed it down just to the wheel cleaner, all-purpose cleaner and the bodywork shampoo, since it did have a deep clean a few weeks back, and the only real contamination on it was from the Sahara dust. Using the advanced all-wheel cleaner, I sprayed the wheels, and the reason why I wanted to give them a clean was because I noticed there was some more unattractive plastic, and later on I will be trying the coating on them as well. The wash and prep stage is absolutely crucial, because the last thing you want is to apply a trim dressing or coating onto a contaminated surface. If the trim isn't properly cleaned, the product simply won't bond as it should, and the results, along with the durability, won't live up to expectations. And for those of you who want to see more of Autoglym's products, including the Polar Series range, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check that video out once this one's finished. Thankfully, the wash didn't take long at all, but before applying the coating, it's important to make sure the trim is completely dry so nothing interferes with the bonding process. So I'm just using a drying towel here, but if you're worried about any leftover drips, a car dryer is always going to be the best option. Now that the van's dry, I'm ready to give the trim restorer a go. This was my first ever time using this product, so I had no idea how it was going to perform. But I was confident it will be straightforward because Autoglym never tends to overcomplicate things. The best way to describe the application process is it felt very similar to a ceramic coating, and it was surprising just how effortless it was to apply. Unlike your typical trim dressing, there was no gooey residue, My hands weren't greasy and there was definitely no overpowering smell. In fact, working outside, I could barely smell anything at all. But one thing that shocked me the most was how little product was needed to cover such a large area. So the maddest thing is, I've gone halfway on the front bumper and I've only done 2 applications. So what I mean is I've just poured it out twice. So this will be the 3rd one, and I'm using very little because once it's already in, it's going to be primed, ready to go. So we're just topping it up. But my word, is it phenomenal. I love this already. Another thing that really impressed me was the applicator sponge, as it was made up of 3 layers, so it was strong enough not to fall apart, but it was easy enough to navigate around the van. At this point there was no stopping. The transformation was happening right in front of my eyes. And this step is something I normally leave until the very end after polishing. But it just goes to show how easily you can add value and make the right impression with a few subtle touches, even on a van. I don't think there was a piece of plastic that I hadn't applied this coating onto. Everything that came into contact was vastly improved. And one thing I will say is I couldn't have asked for better conditions to work in. It was nice and cool, which is what you want, because it needs to be on there long enough to work, but cool enough not to evaporate, which is something that normally happens with trim dressings in the direct sunlight. After a few minutes, I grabbed a cloth and lightly wiped the surfaces that I just applied the coating onto. And just to be clear here, I'm not applying much pressure at all. All I'm doing is just lightly removing any excess residue that may be sitting on top. So if you were to just leave it as it is, there is a small risk of any patchy high spots, so it's just there for added precautionary measures. Plus, it will make the results look more professional. It's been about 24 hours since we applied the coating on the van, and it is raining out there as it happens, so we're going to see what it looks like in those wet conditions. But before we do, I just want to talk about this 30ml bottle, because you'll be forgiven for thinking, well, okay, you're not going to get many vehicles out of it. But no word of a lie, I've gone round every single piece of black trim on that Ford Transit, and I've used about, I'm going to say, I guess 7 mils of product here. Barely scratched the surface, so I'm going to be able to use this every 3 months for the next 12 months at least if I wanted to keep my van topped up. Another thing I really did like was this sponge, because I did attempt to put the coating on the wheels with a microfiber cloth, but you find it's just absorbing it so quickly. With this, it kind of just sits on this microfiber layer, and it's not as if it gets really absorbed deep into the sponge. So it's not going to make a mess. It's effortless just to apply it onto the bumpers, and yeah, I absolutely love it. As this is only a first look video, it's very hard to talk about the durability without leaving it 3 months, so we will revisit this product later down the line as we do have a few test vehicles in circulation. Right now it's hammering it down with rain, so we need to go outside and see what this looks like in the wet. This isn't the only new product from Autoglym for 2026, because last month I purchased the new Advanced Paint Restorer and the Paint Reviver, and I tested it on some very scruffy paintwork. To find out what happens in that video, you can go and watch it right here.